Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your existing Cash App account. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in right away. First of all, tap open a web browser to begin. You can also open up the Cash App application on your mobile device or your computer. If you are doing this on a web browser, go ahead and type in cash.app and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Cash App. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner and you will end up in the login page. To log into your existing account, you will need to know your mobile number or the email that you used in order to create that particular account. Select your country code from the drop down and enter your mobile number. You can also click on Use Email and enter an email address. Click on the Continue button after doing so. Now, you will need to verify your email address or your phone number. Enter the confirmation code that you receive either way and click on Continue. Enter your cash PIN if prompted on the next page and you will be logged into your existing Cash App account. All you need is your phone number or your email address and you'll need to verify it to get signed in to your account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.